So very interesting couple of days since we last spoke, but a lot of action, a lot of money being made inside of the Discord, a lot of plays we've been running, a lot of trading on Hyperliquid, going well for the gentleman. So last time we spoke, okay, we were talking about how bigger picture we were expecting a breakdown on Bitcoin from this all-time high push, right? We came here, false breakdown, didn't work. Okay, we're coming back down into the range. You get range high, bearish underside retest, right? You reclaim the range, bearish underside retest, breaking down. We thought we were coming all the way back down to these VWAPs, which were the 60-day and the 180-day that were closer together down here, and come back down to this bull market trend before breaking up to all-time highs. Well, I'm not super convinced on the move that we're seeing right now in Bitcoin because it's been a low volume move. So I'm not convinced quite yet, but we have broken out of the range. We did break back out of the range, which is huge. That's significant, right? So if we close the daily candle outside of the range and we close a few this week and we close the weekly outside of this range, I would expect that we're pushing for an all-time high break. That's what I would expect, unless we retrace this fairly quickly, the same way that we retraced this Jeet with an immediate pump back up, right? Just as quickly as you could have this pump back up, you can have a quick Jeet retrace back into here, right? Before moving up higher. So we're going to be patient. But the point is we've been playing this range beautifully on a lower time frame, on the 1 hour, and basically swing trading this on a lower time frame, scalping this. And if you're inside the Discord, you've been seeing all the P&L posts from the trades we've been making, the money we've been making. So we've been tagging, the bottom of this VWAP, longing up, shorting down. We caught this whole move. We caught this whole move down to here. Exited like right in here, somewhere in here. Beautiful 130% gain on that play. Got it back up. And then did not expect this move this morning though, which was interesting, this push up. So we came back down into this 30-day VWAP. Well, we broke down from it and we came all the way up, rejected off of it, rejected again, reclaimed it here. So this is whenever things turned bullish again. So we lost the 30-day VWAP. That's why we had that big G and we made that beautiful short on that. Ran up a nice bag off that short. Then we came back up, but we actually essentially rejected off of the VWAP twice. And then here we reclaimed it. So this is whenever you say, oh shit, things are starting to turn around here. And then you got that swing back up higher, right? So we'll see if we can stick the landing. It looks good right now. It looks bullish. I'm not going to be mad if we start the bull run now, obviously, because we're incredibly positioned inside the Discord. We've been positioned for months now, for years now, actually, in some trades. And we're not upset if it leaves us, okay? We were just expecting lower. So as long as we were prepared with shorts, which we were for a lower move, we make money regardless. If we move up higher from here, we make money regardless. That's how you position well in markets. So we can make money in either direction. So that's where we're at on Bitcoin, okay? So we did reclaim the 30-day VWAP, which is huge, significant, breaking out of the range. So we'll see what we do here. And then just another indicator just to show you some momentum. So if you look at the RSI Symphony, this Symphony basically gives us RSI indicators. Let me move this. Why doesn't it save it? You gotta save that. Let me move this to the bottom right. Thank you. Perfect. Okay. So the indicator in the bottom right-hand corner shows us momentum on Bitcoin on this chart. So RSI momentum. So even whenever some candles are coming down and they should technically be red, they're green because the RSI is positive. So we came back, we got a red candle to trigger here, which marked the low. And then we've been pushing up and getting greener on the way up. Meaning, look, Bitcoin score overall 63, bullish. Okay. 1 minute, 5 minute. Everything above the 15-minute except for 12-hour and the daily is above 60, which is bullish, obviously, on a higher time frame. Which on a higher time frame we were bullish. We were just expecting a further breakdown than this. Now, could the further breakdown still come? Yeah, absolutely. We we didn't break this high yet, so it's not a change in market structure. We're still in a downtrend, right? We're still in a, boom, boom, boom. But then now this could still play like that, right? So we'll see. We'll see if we actually break that move. Now, so that's where we're at on Bitcoin. What's more important is what's going on with the altcoins. Are the meme coins going to start printing, right? That's the title of the stream. Meme coin money printer is going to turn back on. Yep, it's getting close to it. So this is where, and you're not late because this breakout to new all-time highs has not happened yet. And this chart on others has not had a breakout yet. Okay, meaning that altcoins, meme coins are still haven't had the rotation into those assets where you would print multiples 5, 10, 15, 20x off of those coins.